So I have here the original Emco gear set, the Changewheel set for the Emcomat 7 and the 8.4 and the 8.6. The original set consists of 9 gears, and the amount of teeth are specified in the advertisement. This is the connection bolt assembly. I think originally this ring here is not included, but the rest belongs to the original set. This is an extra ring, might be useful. And this comes with the original box from Emco. And as an extra, I found in my drawer this gear. It's plastic, and it have 80 teeth, and it fits. And I found also this small one with only 20 teeth, which does not belong to the original set, but I will include it. And this extra assembly here for when you lose as an extra, as a backup set. So that's the total. Yeah, here's the manual of the Emcomat with these assemblies explained. And here is the part list of the Emcomat 7. And so here are the gears and the gear set. Yeah, it's unused, new old stock, and somebody will be happy with this set. And thank you for watching.